Hello class, I welcome you to this session. This class is about the continuation of 2.16. We have to solve the sixth question, and also this is a class that will discuss about operating profit ratio problems. So this is operating ratio. This is operating profit ratio. As we know that operating ratio as well as operating profit ratio is complementary to each other. So we are going to discuss in detail about this. So let's get started. What is the question? Operating cost is 6,80,000. Gross profit is 25%. Operating expenses is 80,000. Then calculate operating ratio. This is asked. So now what is operating ratio? Operating ratio is equal to operating cost divided by net sales into 100, or operating cost divided by revenue from operations into 100. So this is what we have studied. So what is operating cost? Operating cost is cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. Now operating cost is directly given in the question, 6,80,000, and operating expenses is also given. But what is not given is net sales. Net sales is not given. So we need to find what is the net sales. We have the cost. We have cost of goods sold. So operating cost is 6,80,000. What is cost of goods sold plus 80,000? We can know cost of goods sold is equal to 6,80,000. When we are moving this side and we are changing directions, we need to change the symbol. Remember, okay? So 80,000. So what is this cost of goods sold is 6 lakhs. So we have found what is the cost of goods sold, but that is not asked. What is asked? Operating ratio is asked. For that we need cost of goods sold. Why we need cost of goods sold? Because there is only one hint. Gross profit is 25% they have given. Now we know that selling price minus cost price is profit. Now profit is, they have given just 25% gross profit, which means this 25% is on sales. Okay, we are assuming that it is on sales. Generally, when a problem is given this way, you need to assume it on sales. If it is on cost, it will be given in the problem. So I am assuming to be sales, which means sales you have to take it as 100. Immediately on sales means you need to take sales as 100. 100 let 25% is 25, which means cost price is 75, because 100 minus 75, your profit is 25. So cost price is what? 6 lakhs. Now cost price is 6 lakhs. We need to find what is the net sales. So what is 100? This is the we need to find. So we need to cross multiply. If we cross multiply 6 lakhs into 100 divided by 75, how much do we get? 6 lakhs divided by 75, it is 8 lakhs. Yes, it is 8 lakhs. So 8 lakhs is our selling price. So we have got what is our selling price. So sales, that means sales. We have got what is sales. So can we find now what is the operating ratio? 6,80,000 divided by net sales 8 lakhs into 100. So how much do we get? 6,80,000 divided by 8 lakhs into 100, we get 85% to be our operating ratio. To be our operating ratio. You should be careful. This is an indirect sum. Directly informations are not given for you to just write it. Okay. So next problem we are discussing operating profit ratio. Now operating profit ratio, we know that what is operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio, by this itself we can know operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by net sales into 100, or revenue from operations into 100. So operating profit divided by net sales into 100. Now operating profit, how can we find operating profit? We have to understand what is given in the question and accordingly apply the formula. So revenue from operation, net sales is given, so we can write net sales here. Yes. Cost of revenue from operations is given, wages is given, office and administrative expenses is given, interest on borrowings is given. Find operating profit ratio. Now operating profit is equal to, since net sales is given, cost of goods sold is given, and also operating expenses is given, I am using this formula. You remember this formula when we have discussed revenue from operations minus cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. Now this may be new to you. What is this? Do you remember what is cost of goods sold plus operating expenses? We have just now saw what is that. Operating cost is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. I told you, no, these both are complementary to each other, so there will be a direct relationship with the formulas also. See, revenue from operation, if you sales minus cost, what we will get? We will get profit. So revenue from operations is nothing but net sales. Cost, this is operating cost. This is operating cost. What we are going to get is operating profit. So what is net sales? 10 lakhs. What is operating cost? Cost of goods sold plus 4 lakhs plus other operating expenses is 1 lakh, which means 5 lakhs. So operating profit is 5 lakhs. Now operating profit ratio will be 5 lakhs. Operating profit divided by net sales 10 lakhs into 100. So operating profit ratio is 50%. I am sure that you are able to follow. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by net sales into 100. Operating profit is equal to revenue from operations minus operating cost. What is operating cost? Is nothing but cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. So operating profit, how can we find? We can just understand this. There is only one logic behind everything. Selling price minus cost price will be profit. Net sales minus operating cost will be operating profit. So 10 lakhs minus 4 lakhs plus 1 lakh. We got this operating cost to be 5 lakhs. What is this? Operating cost to be 5 lakhs. Sorry, operating profit. Profit to be 5 lakhs. And 5 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100, which is operating profit ratio 50%. Moving to the next problem. Calculate operating profit ratio from the following information. Opening inventory 2 lakhs, purchases 20 lakhs, revenue from operations is 29 lakhs 40,000, administrative and selling expenses is 3 lakh 40,000, closing inventory is 3 lakhs, loss from loss by fire is 40,000, dividend received is 60,000. Now you need to find operating profit ratio. What is operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by net sales into 100. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by net sales into 100. Operating profit. Now we have opening stock, purchases, closing stock. We can find what is cost of goods sold. Am I right? So cost of goods sold can be found. What is cost of goods sold? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Now what is opening stock? 2 lakhs plus purchases 20 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. So 22 lakhs minus 3 lakhs will give you 19 lakhs, which is your cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold we have found. Now we have to have other operating expenses. What are the operating expenses? We have administrative and selling expenses. So operating expenses is 3,40,000. So 19 lakhs add 3,40,000. What is your operating cost? Operating cost will be rupees 22,40,000. 22,40,000 you have. This is your cost. What you need is your operating profit. Operating profit is equal to net sales minus operating cost. Now net sales, we have revenue from operation. There is no sales written given. So 29,40,000 minus operating cost. What is operating cost? Just now we found 22,40,000. So 29,40,000 minus 22,40,000. 7 lakhs will be your operating cost. Operating profit. So operating profit ratio is equal to 7 lakhs divided by net sales 29,40,000 into 100. So what is 7 lakhs divided by 29,40,000 into 100? You get 23.809 percentage or 23.81%, which is nothing but operating profit ratio. I'm sure that you are able to understand. If you want, we can say that 23.81 minus 100 will be operating cost, operating ratio. Operating ratio is nothing but operating cost divided by net sales into 100 should be 76.190 or 76.19%. It should be this. You can calculate with the formula and check. What is operating cost? Operating cost is nothing but, we have just now found 22,40,000. 22,40,000 minus 29,40,000 into 100. You will get this as your answer. But what is asked is only operating profit ratio. Make sure that you are able to understand. We saw that this is complementary to each other. If you deduct 100 from one, you will get the other ratio. If you deduct 100 from this, you will get operating profit ratio, like that. The last problem that we are going to discuss, calculate operating profit ratio in each of the cases. Revenue from operations net sales is rupees 10 lakhs. Operating profit rupees 1,50,000. Now we need to find operating profit ratio. We know what is operating profit ratio. Operating profit divided by net sales into 100. So operating profit 1,50,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. 15% is your operating profit ratio for this problem. Now for this, revenue from operations rupees 6 lakhs, operating cost is 5,10,000. Now we need operating profit. So operating profit is equal to sales, net sales minus operating cost. Now what is net sales? 6 lakhs minus 5,10,000. 90,000 is your operating profit. So 90,000 divided by 6 lakhs into 100 will be your operating profit ratio. It is again 15%. Now for this, revenue from operations rupees 3,60,000. Gross profit is 20% on sales. Operating expenses is 18,000. So revenue from operations is net sales. You have the gross profit on sales and operating expenses. So we have to find operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by net sales into 100. Now this is sales. Sales minus gross profit will give you cost of goods sold. Now what is sales? 3,60,000 is your sales. 20% on 3,60,000 is 72,000. How did I get this? 3,60,000 into 20% is gross profit. So if you deduct 3,60,000 minus 72,000, this is not 7,20,000, this is 72,000. So 3,60,000 minus 72,000 will be 2,88,000, which is your cost of goods sold. Now you need what is operating profit. Now what is operating profit? Operating profit is equal to sales minus operating cost. Now what is operating cost? Cost of goods sold plus operating expenses will be what is operating cost. My cost of goods sold is 2,88,000 plus operating expenses is 18,000. So my operating cost comes to 3,06,000 minus sales. What is my sales? 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 minus 3,06,000, my operating profit comes to 54,000. Operating profit comes to 54,000. Now what is my operating profit ratio? Operating profit ratio is nothing but operating profit divided by net sales into 100. Operating profit being 54,000, net sales being 3,60,000 into 100. So 54,000, 3,60,000 into 100. I am again getting 15% to be my operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio. I am getting this. I hope that this is clear. The next problem. Revenue from operations is 4,50,000. Cost of goods sold is 3,60,000. Operating expenses is 22,500. I'm sure that you are able to do this, because cost of goods sold plus operating expenses will be operating cost. Revenue from operations, net sales minus operating cost will give you operating profit, because selling price minus cost price will be profit. This we are already aware. So what I'm going to simply do is just deduct 4,50,000. If I add these two, I get 3,60,000 plus 22,500, I get 3 lakh. So my cost being 3,82,500, 4,50,000 minus 3,82,500, I am getting 67,500 to be my operating profit. Operating profit ratio is equal to 67,500 divided by 4,50,000 into 100. What I am getting divided by 4,50,000 into 100, I am getting again 15% to be my operating profit ratio. I want you to try these variations of problems. If I want operating cost ratio, operating ratio, what should I do? Operating ratio is equal to operating cost divided by net sales into 100. If I want this, what I should do? Operating costs I have 3,82,500 divided by 4,50,000 into 100. What is the ratio? You get 85% to be your operating ratio. See, these both are complementary. These both makes 100%. Okay. So if you deduct 100 from 15, you get this. If you deduct 85 from 100, you get this. So this is what we have to understand. The last thing that we need to know: cost of goods sold 8 lakhs. Gross profit 20% on sales. Operating expenses is 50,000. Now cost of goods sold is given: selling price, cost price, profit. Selling price minus cost price will be profit. We have given what is the cost of goods sold we have given. Now on sales to be 100, profit is 20, then this is 80. If 80 is 8 lakhs, what is, if 80 is 8 lakhs, what is 100? So 8 lakhs into 100 divided by 80. So 8 lakhs into 100 divided by 80 is nothing but 10 lakhs. What is this 10 lakhs? Sales. So we have, what is sales? We have net sales. So cost of goods sold, no, cost of goods sold plus operating expenses is operating cost. So cost of goods sold 8 lakhs plus 50,000, we get 8,50,000 as our operating cost. Now sales minus operating cost will be operating profit. Am I right? So what is this? We will just work it out here. Sales minus, for sales is 10 lakhs minus operating cost is 8,50,000. 1,50,000 will be our operating profit. So what is operating profit ratio? 1,50,000 divided by sales 10 lakhs into 100. Again I am getting 15% as operating profit ratio. I hope that this is clear. Keep practicing. Thank you, class.